Hello everyone, welcome to Dark Visor Motor Crew. No, me. Hello everyone, welcome to Dark Visor Motor Vlog. In this episode I will be talking about what to practice for your motorcycle license test. Basically, I think, yeah, let's go with that. Roll that intro. No, that's the wrong channel. Yeah, okay, so what to practice for your motorcycle license test. You're about to take your motorcycle license, yes. You like the motorcycle, you want to drive around, go to broom broom. Ooh. Okay, I want to go up there and then go down again. Let's do that. And then we'll continue with the video after that. Okay, and now I will go, let's go that way. Mamma mia! And I'm gonna make it a turn. Come on! Come on! Do it! Come on! Yep. Okay, let's continue. It is not Corona. What to practice for your motorcycle license test? Well, my main advice to you is just to ride a lot of motorcycles and get a, get a feeling for your bike, It's like do like this, and do like this, and do like this, and then you make it like a this. Yes, but just, basically just ride a lot of motorcycle. Experience, get a good feeling about riding motorcycles, how they act, and stuff like that, how they respond to your body moving back and forth. But don't just go, ordinary riding is good, like riding on ordinary roads, and, but you gotta practice on the hard parts as well. And it's not really hard parts, it's hard when you don't know them, of course. Oh! Okay, that was a big hole in the ground. So, yes, so practice on the hard stuff as well. Like going really slow and making U-turns and, going between cones and whatever. Because in the end of the day, riding on ordinary roads is easy, so you won't really, learn something from it. It is something just going straight on the road. It's kind of boring. So practice on the hard parts. I'm gonna show you as soon as we get some sunlight. Hello, Governor. What is this place? For me? For me? Ah, this was excellent for a video. Perfecto, perfecto, perfecto. Okay, so practice on the slow parts. Practice on the slow parts, you go the left turn, and you go the right turn, and you go around in a circle, and then you do like stuff like that. Yes. Yes, so I'm gonna do some things here, and you can say what you want about them or not. Like really slow. Do not put your feet down on the ground, then you have game over. you will be dead. So we can go like this. So really slow. You know, if you lose your balance, like I just did there, just release the clutch, so you will have some gas. Do you see there again? Because if you lose the balance, just release the clutch and the motorcycle will bring you forward and you will not fall down. Only don't use the throttle. I mean, this is just useless. Use only the clutch to go forward. So you like pull it in, pull it out, pull it in, pull it out, pull it in. Yeah, okay. Yeah. No. So go really slow. Also like this. Really slow. Really slow. And use the handlebar. I mean, go back and forth and whatever, you know. There's no shame in using what you have. You should be proud of what you have. Use it every day. Back and forth. Like this. Some rock there. Okay, so, and if you're going to do like a circle around something, we can use a rock here. We have a stone over there. Okay, so if you're gonna make a left turn, you can use a little more gas. To my defense, it was like a tiny little hill there. Probably it's better here. Okay, so if you're gonna make a left turn, so what you do is you lean your body over to the right side, so you switch the balance point, so you can lean all the way over here, so you can make the left turn, and you can basically now I have released the clutch all the way, by the way, so I'm just leaning to the right and going to the left. Like this. And then we're going to do the other way around. We're going to do the right way, so we're going to lean to the left and then go with the right. So this is really simple, really easy basically. Yes, I'm going way too fast, but this is just to show you how the balance point thing works. I'm switching my... is that a word? Switching, yes. I'm shifting, I'm shifting my body over to the left, which makes the balance point go up, so I can lean the bike to the right. Yes, very good. Okay, so now we're gonna do it really slow, really slow. It's the same principle. Lean to the left, go to the right. Use only the clutch. If you feel that you're gonna fall down, release the clutch and off you go. I am by all means no expert. I mostly don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just kidding. I know some things. Some tiny things. By the way, if you are not a subscriber of my channel, hit that subscribe button right away. Also press like, because I will show in this video Swedish tits. I'm just kidding. Okay, so practice the slow parts. What more should you practice? Basically just learn to handle the motorcycle. Look at this. I'm just free rolling here. Like, I can look at these. Ah! Okay. What you can also practice is making, you know, hard turns on soft ground, what you call it, because you have to know your motorcycle and how it acts on every different surface, you know. So what happens if you slam your brakes on you know, like gravel like this? How does the motorcycle react, and how do you react, and stuff like that. So practice on things like that. So because if something happens, you know how the motorcycle is going to react and how you're going to react, and how to get yourself out of that situation. Okay. Forgot the clutch. Like wee. And wee. And wee. And wee. Oh. And wee. And wee. I keep forgetting the clutch. You should also practice on stopping your motorcycle in higher speeds, for example 70 kilometers per hour and 90 kilometers per hour. So go up to 70 and then as quickly as you can, in a safe way, stop your motorcycle, and then practice until you can stop it in a short distance safely, not just, you know, losing control, safely stopping it. Okay, so first go up to 70 kilometers per hour and then you use 70% on your front brake and 30% on your rear brake, and then you brake as hard as you can in a safely way so you can stop safely within a short distance. So first 70 and then 90, and I'm going to show you. It's been a while, so let's hope I don't die. Also, when you're going up to speed, I see many people on YouTube, you know, beginners who is doing these tests, you know, the driver's license test online, and they when they accelerate their motorcycles, they be like meh, meh, meh. I mean, you're going up to 70 and 90. I mean, you have a motorcycle, just floor it, you know, just go bananas, you know. It's the same thing when you're going on a highway, you know. You're not supposed to go on a highway going 50. You're supposed to be doing like 110 kilometers per hour, not 50. I mean, slam on the brake, twist the throttle, go up to speed quickly. Let's go. Okay, so 70 kilometers per hour, and then we're gonna do the braking. Yeah, okay, I'm no expert. I'm not looking for perfection here, but you get the idea. Okay, so 90 now. Just gonna find a straight road and yeah, something like that.